Good morning, friends. Welcome to Astro Chandrika YouTube channel. Today, I'll discuss a very important or interesting topic with you, which is retrogression of planets. Retrogression meaning is the backward movement of the planets. Whether planets move backwards at all, that is the question. Okay. And the concept of retrogression is most interesting, and it's very it's a confusing type of concept for most of the astronomers. In advanced learning, the retrogression of planets play a vital role, but in this particular video, I'll try to make the concept very clear. Okay. Let us try to understand what is retrogression of planets, how the retrogression to be understood, whether planets retrograde at all, which planets retrograde, when planets get retrogression or retrograde, what are the effects of retrograde planets. Okay. As I already mentioned, retrogression is the backward movement of the planets. How do we understand the concept of retrogression? I'll try to explain it in a very common parlance, that you have come out of your house on some important work, and you realize that you forgot some documents. Okay, without the documents, you cannot proceed for the meeting or the work on which you are going. So then what is the thing which we are supposed to do? We go back home, get the documents, and proceed for the job. So that means once you have gone out of the home, and for collection of documents you have come back, that is the retrogression motion, and again take the documents and go back. That is, retrogression is that something is forgotten in the past, okay, or something is left undone in the past. The task has to be completed and move forward. That is common understanding of retrogression. Then another thing which we in our day-to-day life experience is, suppose you are going on some journey and you are sitting in the train which takes you, or which help you in reaching the goal. Okay. When two trains in railway station, you find two trains are stationed side by side. Okay. You are sitting in the train and your train journey has not yet started, but the train which is adjacent to you or by the side of you has started. What you will feel, you are stationary, that means you are sitting in your train. The train which is by your side has started. After some time you realize that you are going backwards. Is it so? In reality, no. You are stationed in a particular seat and the train which is by your side is moving. So you feel you are going backwards. And take another example. Your train has started and your train is moving faster, and you feel the objects which are outside your train are moving backwards. Or when the vehicles which are moving along with the direction of the train are moving backwards at some point of time because they are slower than the speed of the train. That is how, because both the people, that is your train and the vehicles on the road, are going in the same direction. Since your train is faster, the vehicles moving around on the road, you feel they are going backwards. So that is how we are supposed to understand. And that is how the retrogression of planets is to be understood. Okay. Therefore, planets do not move in a retrograde motion. That point you must keep in your mind. And which planets retrograde? Sun and Moon never moves in retrograde motion, and Rahu Ketu are always in a retrograde motion. So you forget about these 4 planets. Then the remaining are Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, and Venus. So these 5 planets only appear that they are moving in a retrograde motion. Okay. Then this particular concept of retrogression, I'll explain you pictorially in the coming slides. But let us try to understand the effects of retrograde planets. It has to be understood in 2 ways. One is the retrograde planets indicate that you have left something in the past, and the task has to be completed and moved forward. And second thing, what type of remedies you are supposed to perform when a planet is retrograde in your birth chart. Okay. So let us take planet by planet. The people with Mercury retrograde in the horoscope, the effect is either the people are very methodical, very calculative, and highly intelligent, and sometimes they have the habit of forgetting things. Okay. So the planet Mercury signifies intelligence in a person. So planet Mercury, if it is retrograde in a birth chart, sometimes the person behaves in such a way that his intelligence is not up to the mark. Therefore, the people who have Mercury retrograde, what happens? The children in childhood, many parents complain that their children are studying very well, but during the examination they are not performing well. So that is the signification of retrogression of Mercury. That means they will not be able to perform well in the examination. They will not be able to reproduce whatever they have studied exactly in the same way they are supposed to do it. So that is some of the significations of planet Mercury when it is retrograde in birth chart. Then coming to Mars. Mars is the planet of action. So Mars is the planet of fire. When such a planet is retrograde in the birth chart, the person would appear to be very slow in his actions. He will not move faster, and the fire which is expected of strong or straight Mars is lacking in such people. Okay. Coming to Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet of wisdom, and Jupiter is a planet of balance. Jupiter is a planet of judgment. When Jupiter is retrograde in a birth chart, we find people lacking these qualities. Coming to Saturn. Saturn is the planet of hard work. Saturn is the planet of labor. Saturn is the planet of subordination. So when Saturn is retrograde, people lack these qualities. Venus. Venus is the planet of beauty. Venus indicates spouse. Okay. Venus indicates the decorative things. And when Venus retrogrades in a birth chart, we find people do not pay much attention to these qualities. Okay. And coming to what are the remedies we can follow to rectify or to mitigate these qualities. If Mercury is retrograde, what we can do? Mercury retrogrades, then try to help people or children who are studying and who do not afford to buy books or the things required for education as per your ability. Then, coming to Mars. Mars retrogression, try to help your siblings, that too younger siblings. Jupiter retrogrades, then what you are supposed to do is you try to appease your gurus. Jupiter is a planet which signifies a guru. Try to appease gurus. Okay. Saturn retrogression. Saturn is a planet of service. Do service. Do some free service to people. Coming to Venus. Venus retrogression. You give proper respect to your spouse or behave appropriately with the opposite sex. So if you follow these small tips, the effects of retrogression will be lesser. And now let us understand what exactly is the retrogression of planets. It is only a geocentric concept from the observer point of view. As I already mentioned regarding the train journey, you are sitting in a train and your train is moving faster and you feel the vehicles which are also moving in the same direction, they are moving backwards. That is from the point of view of the observer, it appears that the objects or the planets are moving backwards. Similarly, when a person sitting on Earth and observing the motion of the planets, depending on the relative motion of the Earth and the planets, the concept of retrogression is realized or felt. See this one, we have got inner planets and outer planets. Mercury and Venus are inner planets. That is, they are within the orbit of, inside the orbit of the Earth. Whereas Mars, Jupiter and Saturn are outside the orbit of the Earth. They are known as outer planets. Here, I have taken the example of Mercury. Mercury is in the inner circle from Earth. If an observer is sitting on the Earth and observing the motion of the Mercury, as Mercury moves faster, you can note down the motion of Mercury in the points A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D, E, and F. So whenever Mercury touches those points in its orbit, and as Earth is moving slower than the Mercury's movement, it appears that Mercury is moving backwards. Now, we have seen the Mercury at point A. When it goes to point D or point E or point F, you feel that Mercury is moving backwards, like this. See, now you are on the Earth. When Mercury moves to point E, you are still there because of your relative motion with reference to the Mercury. You are also moving, but Mercury has moved faster. When Mercury moves to point E, a person sitting on the Earth feels that Mercury has moved backwards. But in actual reality, Mercury is not moving backwards. Okay. Now, these are the outer planets. Now see, the outer planets are depicted outside the circle of Earth's movement. Here, what happens? Earth is moving faster, whereas the outside planets are moving slower. Even then, because of the relative motion of the planets, the person sitting on the Earth feels that the outer planets are moving backwards. See here, in this particular chart, the person sitting on the Earth moved forward, whereas the planet in the outer circle is still there in its earlier place. Therefore, we feel that planet is in the backward motion. Okay. Now you see, this is the orbit of Mars. Earth is seen in the blue color. Mars has shown in a different color. Okay. From Earth, if you see the position of Mars, in different points, you feel Mars is going backwards. Friends, this is a simple concept which should never be misunderstood. Okay. None of the planets move backward. Only it is a observer's point of view. The planets are moving backwards. Now, let us see the period of retrogression of planets. From the day they start moving backwards. Mercury retrogrades for a period of 24 days, and out of that, one day it will be stationary. Venus moves in backward direction or retrogression motion for 42 days, and 2 days it will be stationary. Mars will be in retrograde motion for 80 days, and stationary position is 3 days. Jupiter moves backwards or retrogrades for 120 days, and 5 days is the period of stationary. Saturn will be in retrograde motion for 140 days. 5 days is the stationary period of Saturn. Okay, friends. Now, when planets are moving backwards or appears to be moved backward, we should never feel that in reality they are moving backward. Okay, this is how we are supposed to understand the concept of retrogression of planets. However, it is a very big topic and it requires a lot of experience in delineating the retrograde planets during its dasha, bhukti, antara, and also in transit. Thank you very much. I'll come back to you with a new video soon. Please like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the Astro Chandrika YouTube channel for getting notifications of future videos. Thank you very much.